What I like the most about Sous Vide, coming from a food science background, for me it's the safety around Sous Vide and the convenience that it's cooked in the bag, meaning that after cooking, I know that the product is safe and I can use it today, tomorrow, in a week, in 20 days, and it's still going to be safe. It travels well. It gives me the confidence that I can have like a nutritious, safe meal with a quality, sometimes restaurant quality. But I think there is a misunderstanding as well that cooking the bag, it's just like simple food. But there is a lot of science, a lot of thinking, a lot of culinary skills behind it that make it very unique. Sous vide is safe, and sous vide brings more safety than other traditional cooking methods. This is something I love about food safety. It's a changing market. Every day your risk change. So we are developing tools. We are partnering more and more with IT, using more and more artificial intelligence. So we work a lot on labeling. We work a lot on data collection today. It's not just about collecting data, it's about driving decisions at the operation level. So on the food safety side, to be able to protect us, to be able to anticipate the risk from our market. We are a global market today, so all our raw materials come from around the world in different forms and shape. The uncertainty is here, but you need to be consistent for the product and solution we deliver to our customers. So I think Sous Vide provides that. The safety every single time, and this is very consistent. My name is Sylvie Porphire. I'm the Vice President of Engineering Operations and Food Safety and Quality Assurance.